Digital Learning. I'm going to give you a really quick tip today on how to lock down an app in your iPad, especially for those kids who are in early childhood, pre-K, kinder, maybe even first, who have iPads where they're not logging in. And so these iPads might be in stations, and you want the only app to be open is the one that you want the kids on, and they can't leave that app. All right, so what you're going to do is you're going to go into Settings. Under General, there's a tab called Accessibility. When I click that, I'm going to scroll all the way to the bottom until I see Guided Access. When I click Guided Access, I'm going to go ahead and turn this on. Passcode settings, I'm going to set my passcode. I'm going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, whatever password you'd like to use. Make sure you do remember it though. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, now I have guided access set up. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go into an app, maybe Sock Puppets. Okay, so this app might be open at one of my stations, and I want this app to be the only app that can be opened. So I'm going to click 3 times on the home button. 1, 2, 3. Okay, started guided access. So now when I click this button, it will not close the app. Then I can 1, 2, 3, and I can put that passcode in, and now I can end guided access. Now, one thing that's really great about this is, say for example, there was a button at the top that said Buy or Settings that you don't want the kids to use. What you can do is you can actually circle that, and it will gray that area out. So now, if that was a button, I couldn't press it as a kid. So 1, 2, 3, leaves guided access. Then I'm going to go ahead and end guided access, so now I can leave that app. So this will be very helpful when you have stations set up with iPads and you only want one app to be opened without the kids going back and forth and playing in camera roll and settings and things like that. Hope that was helpful. See you next time.
If you found this video helpful, make sure and hit that like button.
To make sure you get more videos like this, be sure to click right here to subscribe and to click the bell to make sure you get notifications.
If you'd like to submit a topic or concept for future videos, there's a link in the description down below.
And if you're looking for more digital learning tips and tricks, make sure to follow us on Twitter.